So I've got a bunch of content blocks into my page that I am in the middle of building, and I am ready to publish this to the URL that you see down here, and I can start to send traffic to this landing page if I was so inclined. A couple of options. I can do a web preview to make sure that everything that I have put into my content blocks is looking the way I want it to look. So I can click on web preview and it will show me the actual preview of how my page will look in the browser. So I've got this header that has my big message, it has my double click, it has this image that I have selected. As I scroll down, this is all the content I put together around why, headless CMS and content as data is better. And then as I scroll down, I threw in some testimonials. Oh, yep, the arrows are working. The data that I put into the logo for where the testimonial came from is accurate. And I've put a couple of my favorite movies in here, and then we're ready to now publish. I can now hit publish, and this will go live onto the internet, and people can begin to interact with the page that I have built. Another cool element is that we have built in here some change reviews. So I can go in and see that this was published 11 seconds ago. Currently, this version has no changes because it was just published. And I can open this up and I can see all of the edits. I published 11 minutes ago. Something was published 10 minutes ago. This was, something was done 4 days ago. It was live, So, and I can see the user, in this case me, that was doing all of that activity. So this is also a great way for large teams, people that have 3-4 content managers and publishers and marketeers using campaigns and building pages, can all have single access to the studio. And not only can you have a single source of truth for all your content, you can publish your content via API, you can also have a really nice workflow and do a lot of management here and make sure that you have good control over your content and that what you are publishing is auditable and checkable, and you can always roll back to a previous version anytime you would like to.